Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to turn on the incognito or private mode in YouTube. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you would go to YouTube, click on YouTube, then you would click on the profile at the bottom screen, click on it, then you would swipe right until you find the option for turn on incognito. Click on it. Now you should be able, in the private mode, you should be able to browse YouTube in incognito. So it shouldn't be tracking the history while you watching the YouTube. And that is how you would be able to turn on the incognito mode. Thank you.